Go to margin. Go to margin. You're still holding the POLS trade, and I think you're in profit. You're in profit. Scroll down.
Okay, I should leave it. Okay.
Just scroll down. Okay. Scroll back up. Scroll back up. Click on that POLS. Yeah, click on it.
I should click again.
Yeah, click on that POLS USDT. USDT/USDT. Scroll down. I want to see when you bought. That was the reason why. Click by the right hand corner. You can see this stuff like a book. Besides stop orders and something like a book that is shining white. Yes. Then order history. Click on order history. Okay. Did you close the dot trade?
No.
Okay, you left it to run.
I don't know how to close it now. I was asking you that time.
Okay, and you left it to run.
Yes.
So it has hit profit now. So that's what we want to redraw. That's what we want to do. Okay, go back to your assets now. I've seen what I want to see.
Okay.
You're in profit on this POL trade, and you did a lot of on risk management, but thank God you are go to assets. You put almost 70% of your capital in that trade. So click on that. Click okay. Go back to trade. Sorry, go back to trade. Since POL has done take profit one, we will only take profit one. Scroll down. Okay, you need to change it to margin above. Change it to margin. It's on spot now. Then press cancel.
I should press cancel.
Yeah, press cancel there. Scroll up. Go to sell. Change it to market order. Market order above.
It was sorry.
Market. Confirm. Then press 100%. Sell.
Here. Sell,
yes, sell.
short pulls.
Yes, sell/short POLS. Put your trading password. Then go to assets. Then click on repay. Then click on repay up there, top right corner.
Top right. Repay.
Yeah, you see, just repay. That one that is shining green that is covered. Click on all. Click on all. Repay. Then go back to your account. Go back to your account. Wow.
Where is it?
We deposited $20 and now it is $39. Sure.
Okay, yes.
Wow. So you made 100% of your capital in few days because of your risk. You risk up to 70% of your capital on POL. So it turned out to be a blessing. So what we do now, we'll remove your profit and leave your capital.
Okay, but I will stop the repaying. I said I will stop repaying. There is no other thing that I will pay now.
I don't understand.
I have repaid all.
Yeah, you have. So your money now, you know that we had $20 in your account. You grab.
Yes.
and then we grew the $20 to $200. The power of leverage. Then we use the $200 now, and we made profit with $200. So that $200 has given us $39.29. You grab that is close to $40. Just few cents to make it $40. So you made $20 in the space of, I've forgotten when you even did that. I think a week, right?
Yes, almost a week.